Hi, let's take a look at one of my students' sentences and see if we can fix it. I am boring in class. Oh, history class. Not English class, of course. I am boring in history class. Now, what's wrong with this sentence? The word boring. A verb plus an ing is what we call a present participle, and it can be used to describe actions that are happening right now. So, for example, I am studying now. I am running. Now, verbs plus ing can also be used as adjectives and active adjectives. So they're describing a cause. Now, if you use a verb plus ed, it becomes what we call passive adjective and describes results. Now, when we want to describe a personality, then we use ing, the active adjectives. So, for example, he is a boring person. She is an exciting woman. But if we want to describe people's feelings, then we use ed. I feel bored. They are excited. So when you have a sentence, I am boring, that means I am a boring person. Right? It's describing somebody's character, their personality. That's the same as saying, I make other people feel bored. Let's look at another example here. We've got the comedian's jokes were not funny. He was boring. The audience were bored. So here we've got a description of the comedian's personality. Boring. Okay, here's the cause. What's the result? The audience. They're feeling bored. Got two more examples here to show. The boring movie made me feel bored. Okay, so we have the movie is the cause. We describe it with ing. And then the feelings, the result, ed. I am excited because I am playing an exciting game. Okay, feelings, ed. I'm excited. The game, the cause of the excitement, we use ing. So instead of saying I am boring in history class, what my student should have said is I am bored in history class. Okay, that's it for today.